So why AI is the biggest thing in crypto? First of all, many people are underestimating the AI in crypto, and they think this is just a short-term narrative that will play out soon in few months. But in my opinion, if you are looking at the biggest companies in the world, they are the biggest companies because of the AI. And for example, if you are looking at this chart, you can see a direct correlation between DeFi and AI. Basically, what I think is that if we are thinking about DeFi in crypto, it is big because we understand that finance and decentralized finance is a big must that we should develop, and there is a lot of interest in DeFi in crypto because finances and banking and all that stuff matters, and it is not going away. Staking, getting yield, this basically makes sense for DeFi to be huge, and that's why I don't understand why there are so many people that are fading AI in crypto, because my logic is that AI is here to stay forever in the real world. In the biggest companies, they are integrating AI. All of the people know that AI is here to stay, but crypto people, for some reason, think that AI is just a short-term narrative and that it will go away. Although meme coins are still here after more than a year, and AI is much bigger than meme coins. That's why I think many people are really underestimating the power of what AI will do in crypto in the next year. And we have touched only the surface for the last 2 months. The AI agents is the biggest thing in crypto. And I think this is the most likely the biggest narrative since DeFi. I really think that is the case because, again, AI is the biggest thing happening in the world. If you think about everything that's happening, there is nothing bigger than AI. It is changing the world, the finance. And second thing is that people that are interested in developing AI, like developers, programmers, people that cannot get a large, huge fundings from VCs, from banks, what they will do, they will come to crypto. They will actually build something huge in AI, in crypto AI sector, make a lot of money. And I think that's the reason, that's the way how this AI will basically attract many retail people in crypto, many normal people, because the first, I think in 2020, late 2020, early 2021, DeFi was the biggest thing that attracted many people. After that, NFTs. And I think in 2025, the AI is the thing because many new developers, the actual great, good developers that can do something with the AI, they are coming in the space. Because when you see how easy many of these AI projects are getting money, raising funds, people are seeing this, and soon big funds, big firms, big developers will be actually coming in this crypto space and building AI agents, building everything up around AI in crypto, because this is the best way you can make money, in my opinion. And the most bullish narrative about this is that I see AI integrated in meme coins, in NFTs, in DeFi. So basically it will be integrated in the whole crypto. And if you are talking about decentralizing, I think crypto actually needs AI and AI needs crypto, because if we want to get the AI safe, we need to implement decentralized, basically blockchain technologies into AI so we can contain the AI so it's not dangerous and it is not basically controlled by a central entity. That's why I think crypto and AI is like perfect match. That's another reason why I think AI cannot be faded, and you have to look out for new opportunities, look where the money is going, the biggest projects, what is the narratives in AI, because there will be many AI narratives, not just AI agents. And yeah, overall, my suggestion is, as crypto is getting into new bull market, I think 2025 will be a full-blown bull market. And if you are interested in AI, developing, creating content or anything, you should come in the crypto AI space, because that's where the biggest opportunities are right now for the next 12 to 16, maybe 18 months. And that's why I think this space, the AI crypto space, will flourish, and don't fade this narrative, because there is basically zero reasons why AI should go away from crypto. That would be like saying that meme coins should go away or NFTs should go away. That's just not happening in my opinion. That's why, again, don't fade AI. And I personally, I am researching AI in crypto every day. I am posting new alpha on my Patreon, only $10 a month. I am sharing new information daily, new ways to make money from crypto, NFTs, airdrops, AI. There are so many opportunities that I am posting daily. That's why subscribe if you want to get a daily alpha. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.